little wave was bobbing along in the ocean and was having a grand old time. He was enjoying the wind and the fresh air as it traveled. Until he noticed that all the other waves in front of him were crashing against the shore. Oh my God, this is terrible, the little wave thought. Look what is happening to all the other waves, and I will have to face the same fate. When the little wave was in a state of panic, another wave came across and asked the little wave, "Why are you distressed, my friend?" The little wave said, "We are all going to crash against the shore and face our end. All of us waves are going to be nothing. Isn't it terrible?" The second wave answered with a smile, "No, you don't understand. You are not just a wave. You are a part of the ocean."